All right, so here we are, Wonder of the Seas, Junior Suite 8642. Let's check it out. Do a little tap and head inside. Hope everyone's doing well today. Let's see what we got here. We do a little spin around. And if you enjoy these specific cruise ship cabin walkthroughs, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to Prescribed Adventures. Nice size room. All right, nice size room. We'll start over here with the walk-in closet. Turn that light on. Plenty of space. Plenty of hangers. You got your robes. Plenty of shelving for you. And of course the drop-down bars if you need more space to hang. And there's even, I don't know if you put stuff up there because you probably forget it. So wouldn't advise that, but some people might. Now we're going to head over to the bathroom. And Junior Suite comes with a shower and tub combo. You got shelving here on the sides of the mirror. Single sink. And Junior Suites come with the Salt and Breeze bathroom amenities. There you go. You can see the shampoo, conditioner, and your body wash, and it comes with a half glass, which I always feel is a little weird, but better than shower curtain still. And there you have the bathroom. And great for if you have little kids and you need the tub, along with the extra space that Junior Suite gives you. And coming over here, we got some more shelving. You got your in-room safe. And you got some drawers on the bottom there to use. Let's turn this on so we get more light. So more drawers. And so here you got your breakfast menus. Your morning room service. They do have a mini bar choice if you desire. And then you got plenty more shelving underneath here. What else we got? We got a hair dryer. You got some tissues right there. Here you're going to have your fridge. More like a cooler. Junior Suite comes with the Lavazza coffee maker. And then here you got your little desk with the chair for the ladies to get ready. Back mirror light. Hey, everybody. And underneath we have 2 regular plugs, 2 more USBs, 2 Euros. Oh, another plug. So there you go. Plus you can bring your USB splitter. You cannot bring any sort of extra plugs. And then here you have your TV. And this is a little different. You have more of a comforter chair with a table, where on Utopia they had more of a recliner type seating. And here you got your couch, which I believe does pull out if you have more than 2 people. And then over here, you got your lamps, which also have, see, a USB and a plug. And this is Royal's Kings, closer to a queen. Does split in half if you want to do that. And separate it out. And also here on the other side, also a USB and a plug. And over here you got your temperature gauge. Right now it's all the way down. And for the best part, now we can go check out the balcony. And now we head out to the balcony. And on this balcony, it's a really good size. You have 2 chairs and a table. Both chairs have footstools. They do not recline. They have them zip tied for safety reasons. I guess people were leaning back and either falling into the glass or falling all the way back. But there you can see there's plenty of space out here. They could have fit a recliner or a lounger, but I guess they didn't want to make it too crowded. which I kind of appreciate, but sometimes you do want that lounger. But there you go, folks. That is the Junior Suite on Wonder of the Seas, cabin number 8642. That was really easy to remember for me. And before I forget, with a Junior Suite on Wonder of the Seas, you do get priority boarding, you do get 2 Crown and Anchor points per night, and you do get access to the coastal kitchen for dinner based on availability. So don't forget to enjoy those amenities. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.